Assalamu alaikum and warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today I show you how to repair this Garrett metal detector. Look, I show you how to repair this Garrett metal detector. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment and must press the bell icon to watch more technical videos like this. Let's start the video. First of all, we insert, check this battery first. Set the meter in the right position, 20-volt DC. So check this. So battery is in good condition, 10.17. Insert this battery here. Look, this side, this side. Look, this side is positive side and this side is negative. This is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative. So insert this battery here like this and switch on this metal detector. If you can see, the light is on here. You can see this light is on, and now look, this is detecting, working okay, but there is no sound. This is the switch. Push this switch. Now this is vibration mode. This metal detector is now in the vibration mode. Vibration mode is okay. Look this, if you can hear the sound of vibration. Again press this switch, push this switch, and now this metal detector is detecting this object, but no beep sound you can hear. So here is the problem with the beep. So open this metal detector first. First of all, what we do, remove this battery first. So remove this cover first, separate here, sticker. Now we open this channel. So this is very hard. Before removing it, give him little bit heat. Because this grip is very hard. Now this is little bit soft. Now we remove this grip from here. Oh, I think there is something. Oh, you can see this handle is broken from here earlier, not now. Before this is already broken from here. So put this handle grip here and open these screws from here. So I have opened these two screws. Now there are 3 more screws here inside maybe. So carefully with the knife you can remove this sticker first. Oh, there are only 2 screws inside in this model, but many Garrett detectors have 3 screws here. Now I am opening these 2 screws. So I have opened these 2 screws from here. Now there are more screws under this sticker. So we open this sticker first. Give him little bit heat. So you can see, I think behind this there is one more screw here. With the knife you can remove this sticker carefully, and you can see here is one more screw. Open this. Maybe here are more screws, but no more screws there. So I have removed the upper cover of this metal detector. Now mm, uh, check it again. This is not working now. Now we replace this buzzer. Replace this buzzer first. This one, new buzzer put here. This long leg is positive, so this one is negative. So here, mention over here, if you can see, here is the positive one, this one, and on the board you can see here mention a positive sign here. So clear these 2 points first. Now these 2 points are clear. Now we fix this buzzer here, and solve these 2 points carefully. Must be no losing here, and solve these points because they look like dry solve. When you open this board, you can check all the points, they are in good condition or not. Now this metal detector buzzer has been changed. Now we check this metal detector again. Sorry, where was this? I think here. Now we check this metal detector. This you can see this is working now. let me fix it first. I show you here. Let me fix it first, then I show you is it working. Now we fix this cover over here. Look this, press this gently and you can see all the lights button and this button is in the correct condition. So tight this screw here and again paste the sticker over here. Now you can see this looks good. Now we tight these two screws here. Now we tight all the screws and fix this metal detector, all the covers in the correct position. Now we final check this metal detector. Now you can see this light is glowing up. Look this, you can see now check this vibration now. So this is working in vibration mode. Now you can see the light. Now you can again in the sound mode you can check the working of this metal detector. So this metal detector has been repaired now. So this was our video, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Now you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. So keep watching our channel. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.